Okay, I still don't know how to deal with the lighting issues. And it's the day before the election, and that's a big deal for me in DJT because I still have a big position. I made a lot of money today. I'm killing it. I want to make more. If my options broken for me, I'm very tired because I got to check this thing out like every 20 seconds or every hour. It's all over the place. But I traded like a god. I've given the circumstances that I had. And this is a super spooky day before the election recap on the Brad Laidman options, whatever I'm calling it, channel. It's still in flux. Eventually, it'll look good. Let's get to it. As you can see, Trump stock is raging on the close. The options haven't changed. So now I have to see what my delta is. So I'm short 1,000 deltas, and I'm short negligible gamma. So I kind of need to buy some stock. It's high. I see no reason why. These are my portfolio deltas on the short side. You know, we don't care if we're short because Camilla makes it. We make a fortune if Camilla wins. On the long side, this is 400 shares of stock. This is short 3,000 shares of stock. This is short 600 shares of stock. Nets out to like 100 shares of stock. Put, you don't care, put. Call, long, short. The thing is the stock going up means absolutely nothing to me, and it's coming right back down again. So, I mean, I'm not going to buy it here because I do fine either way, and I'm actually long on the upside, and I kill on the downside, and you know, its range has been like, it got as high as I think like 39, and it's going back down. So as you can see, this is just a recap for the day. It looks like I'm gonna need 5,000, but I just flat out scalped 20,000 in stock. I think I made $20,000 and I only have 1,000 left. So this should show us, I have $290,000 in stock. Oh, these are long options. I gotta show stock. Show zero positions and stuff like that. This thing is very sensitive. Show zero position rows, security type all. Alright. My position in stock is 0. I scalped $20,600 and none of this stuff matters. My portfolio delta, I can't sell stock here, which I would probably do because I can't short stock. My portfolio delta is like minus 1,000. Let me see. My long options, I want 5,000 deltas. I'm long in the long options. I'm short about 3,000, 3,600, 8,900. Short about 8,900 there. Long about 5. I'm just completely flat. Completely flat. Let's see what my margin is. I can't lose any money on this position. They're charging me a fortune in options, and it cost me a fortune today. Let's look and see what our margin is. Alright, looks like 37 is going to be here this till the next time I touch it, and I'm fine. My maintenance marches is 138. My total equity loan is 169, so I'm right up against it. So they're not going to let me do anything but buy stock, and hell no, I'm not buying it here. I bought it. If you look at what I did today, I had a pretty good day. Let's just see what I did under the ridiculous margin constraints that I was under. I want to sort this the other way. Trades. I'm going to sort it earlier today. Alright, so you can see, when I woke up at 10:21, I bought 3,000 for 37 cents. I sold $831. I bought some 38 calls, which closed at 7.50, break even, but the stock's up $2 since the close. They have like a 40 delta, so that's another $800. I closed my 115s for them. It only cost me $600. I would have never bought those back if it wasn't for margin constraints. And I never had to do it. So then I sold another 1,000 at 34. Then I closed these things for 82 cents, which I never would have done, but it only cost me $300. And I bought a 10 lot of 50 calls, November 24 50 calls. That's going to be a lot more money for me. I sold the 75 calls, which I sold 5 of these. There's no way I can lose money on this. When it goes up, I'll be making money. I bought 70 of the 65 calls. That's going to be a brilliant decision, because those they're going to be trading like 3.5 in the morning, and they closed at 2:45. Awesome. I bought 25 of the 75 calls for $1.26. They closed at 2:42. Wait. And then I bought 70s. They closed at 2:42. They'll be trading 3.5 tomorrow if it's here. I bought 70. I sold 25 of the 126s against them, which pays for that. I'll lose a little bit of money, but it's never going to go to 75 before I can trade this thing tomorrow. That's a brilliant trade. I bought some stock. I bought 1,000 stock at 33. I sold the 100 calls, which is never going to go, at 50 cents. And then I accidentally did some stuff in PayPal, which is a mistake. We'll let it go. And then I bought stock at 33.39. So the thing is what's my stock position? Nothing. I can't really do anything other than buy stock, and I'm not buying it here. Although, when I look back, first of all, these PayPal things are total errors. But, they're going to decay tomorrow, and I don't think PayPal's going to be up. Every time I make a trade in the monitor, it changes my slide thing to PayPal. Now I have proof. I'll send them the ticket today, but that's what's going on. That's your recap. We're just making a fortune. Today, at least. My unrealized, I'm going to make a fortune tomorrow. If I don't, I will quit. It's all over the place. But I traded like a god, given the circumstances that I had. And this is a super spooky day before the election recap on the Brad Lakeman options, whatever I'm calling it, channel.